guys, this is Marvin from shopsadapage.com, and today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you shouldn't buy this keyboard. Let's get to it. Let's start with the good things first. The design of this keyboard is actually pretty nice, with a little touch of being a gaming keyboard right here and here. We also have productivity shortcuts here and multimedia shortcuts on the other side. The keyboard layout is also close to a standard layout except for this part and this part where the buttons are a little bit bigger. In terms of construction, it's actually decent. Although it's made almost entirely of plastic, it feels sturdy enough. At the back we have this keyboard stand, and the construction here is made of hard plastic. The problem with this keyboard is it fails epically when it comes to its actual purpose. First, the productivity and multimedia shortcuts are terrible, almost to the point that it's actually useless. Yes, the productivity shortcuts work like the sleep, my computer, web browser, and refresh. But the email shortcut opens up a web browser as well, and there's no way to reconfigure these shortcuts. The multimedia shortcuts are also trash. The buttons are mushy, and sometimes it registers keys up to 3 times even if you press it only once. So controlling your music playback with this is a nightmare. Also, as you can see, the forward button is stuck, so it's pretty much useless. Second, all the keys are mushy and provide almost no tactile feedback when you type on it. I understand that it states on the box that it's made for comfort and quiet typing, but it should still provide you with enough feedback to know that your keystrokes are actually registered. The typing experience on this keyboard is very unpleasant, as if you are typing on a jellyfish. This keyboard is actually a membrane keyboard that uses a rubber dome for the switches, which explains why the keys are mushy. Let's do a quick typing sound test so you can have an idea of how it actually sounds. As you can hear, there's only a little audible feedback when I type, and I feel like some of the keys are not registering at all. I also feel like some of the keys needs more effort to press than others. And lastly, which is the ultimate deal breaker, this keyboard doesn't work 100% as it should be. As per the box, the key should withstand up to 10 million presses, and that's a complete crap. We've had this for just a week and the keys started to malfunction. Some of the keys registers keystrokes more than once, as you can see, with the letters B and N. Some keys work intermittently and others simply don't work, like the numbers 1 to 4, and sometimes the letters B and N. That alone justifies that this keyboard is useless. I know for a fact that for its price of just around 259 pesos, I should not expect much, but I wasn't expecting that it will be this useless. And I'm sure it's not an isolated issue because I've read the same issues on user feedbacks. I still bought it because I wanted to test it out myself and to give you guys a real-world performance feedback. I think what's the takeaway on this is that even if the product has a high amount of ratings, you should still filter and check the negative feedbacks just so you have an idea on what you're actually getting. And there you have it guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to check the full article link on the description below, subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Thank you, have a great day.